Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm doing today, today I got my new gadget that I haven't been using, just never had an opportunity to use it, and it's sitting on my CRF250 right there. It's called the Skydio 2. What I learned the basic function of it, how to use and all that, but I never actually had to use it. So what I'm going to do today, long story short, I don't want to bore you all with a bunch of talk, but I got Skydio 2 with me. I want to show you what's in the case, and then my plan is to go in. I'm going to do my very first flight while I ride my CRF250, and I want Skydio 2 to follow me and see how it captures all the footage. So this is my very first time. It may not come up good. It may not be as good as the professional because I never did anything on Skydio 2. But let me show you quick here. All right, guys. So I want to show you what's in the case. So let me show you all. Open this guy up right here. The beauty about the case is this is the case that comes with the Skydio when you buy, and you can land and take off right off the case, which is amazing. So in the box, sorry about there is a guys are cutting grass outside in the community, so you might be hearing a little noise outside. But this is my Skydio drone itself. Battery, extra battery. I have a third battery. It's inside my house. I no need for today's ride, so I'm not carrying my all three batteries, but if I need it, I have a third battery. And if you noticed here, something I have put it on, it's the ND filter 8. So I have an ND filter 8, 16, and also filter 32. And then another thing, recommendation by Skydio is to also get the beacon. So that's what I'm going to operate my drone today when I ride my bike CRF250 today, and I'm going to operate through my beacon, which I'm going to mount it here on my handlebar and just let it just flow through. But like I said, I don't want to bore you all with the talk with a bunch of talk. But the way I have it connected is beacon connected to my phone, and my phone is also connected. Beacon connected to my drone, and also beacon is also connected to my phone. And that way I can see this through the Skydio app. I can see where my drone is and where it's flying, and at least I can have a look of it instead worry about where the drone is going. So with that being said, guys, let's go and hit the road and let's test this out. This is going to be my very first one, so let's go. All right, guys, so I just made it somewhere here close to my house. It's very open field, not too many people around, so you can see it. There's a lot of new construction homes are building and going on. Not too many trees or not many power lines and everything. Yeah, there are obstacles up there, electric pole, but I'm hoping Skydio will cover that. And my plan is to start from here and go that straight road, turn around, come back, and just kind of see how it's going to behave. So with that being said, let's start the drone and let's hop on a bike. Alright guys, so I did about 15-20 minutes run on my Skydio 2, and I hope you like this footage. The battery, because of the wind and all that, I'm not happy with the battery. It's only did about like 20 minutes, but I got 3 spare battery. If I really wanted to go push, I can use all my 3 battery. But today's test was just to try the fixed motion, and it worked really well. Honestly, I was happy to see that, and I could not record because I was transferring the media from my Skydio back to my phone. If you see here, that's how it landed. I put the case in and I hit the land button on the application, and it just landed right on the case. Fantastic, guys. I'm very impressed with this drone. I'm gonna do some more videos, so I hope you like my small clip. This is my very first creation of Skydio 2 using a beacon. The way I have it done is I have a beacon connected to the Skydio, and beacon I have connected to my phone. And the beauty about that is I can also use my phone and see where the drone is, just so I don't have to look around. But you notice on a video, I was looking around all over the place because I was a little nervous that I may lost my drone and all that. So anyway, guys, I hope you like this small clip, and if you happen to be first time, subscribe, like, comment, share, and many more Skydio 2 videos to come. Stay tuned. See you guys.